Welcome. Basically, I wanted to do a project video today because I'm working on my studio here slash workshop slash desk slash whatever. And I'm switching over to a webcam. Currently, like what you're seeing now is a Logitech 920, I believe it is. And I'm actually switching to that, and I'm getting another one coming in as well. That way, when I'm preparing for the Prusa Mark III build, I'll have not only this face camera here, but also I want to put another one up that look down on the work surface. So the problem that I'm running into is that I don't really have a place to mount anything. The C90s or C920s actually come with a little camera mount. So I started looking around the house here trying to figure out what I wanted to do and ended up coming up with a neat idea. I've got a lot of tripods because I do photography as well, and this is not one of my better ones. I never use it. So because I never use it, I looked at it and I like the fact that it has a really easy to disconnect spot. So I was like, okay, well, that's good. So I did a little disassembly, fast forward, voila. And then I said, okay, well, now I've got this head and I know that this is where the camera is going to go. And I needed this. It'll be obviously hanging upside down, but I didn't want to fully destroy anything. So then what I did was this piece over here, this piece was like this, and it was held in with a screw and a nut. So I decided to utilize that, and I ended up creating in Fusion 360 a little bracket, which is kind of cool because it's simply going to sit like this, and then this will get sandwiched, and then it's going to end up screwing. So the whole thing's going to theoretically connect as I break stuff with one screw. And now this is going to be able to be mounted up like that. And then when I want to hook up the camera, I just pop this out and this falls right out. And when I want to put it in there, I can just put it up in there and snap that and it'll hold it in place. So anyways, that's my little project-y thing. I'm going to mount that up above there if I can actually learn how to manage a screwdriver. And we'll see how it works out. Now, the piece that I was talking about here that I created, it was really simple. All I did was drew out a simple sketch and then included a couple holes, extruded it up 3 millimeters, I believe it was, and then I did some fancy measurements and extruded out this piece up 20 millimeters, I believe it was, and then used the create slot command and actually created a slot, all based off of measurements, and it worked flawlessly. And then I started getting a little fancy, and because of the nozzle height that I used, you can't really tell, but I tried to put little fillets and stuff on top, and it didn't really work. But anyways, I put a couple little countersinks here, so it'll be up and should be pretty good. And the idea, here you go, is that it's going to get mounted up underneath there. So it's going to be pointed straight down. Well, there you go. Thank you much. Hope you liked it. And Fusion 360, super easy to use, super fun. Thanks for watching.